A big sound up here, big tune.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking lemon butter chicken. We're going to first start off by seasoning our chicken with pepper, garlic, salt, and paprika. On to cooking our chicken, we're going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter into our pan. We're going to add our chicken and we're going to sear it until it's golden brown on both sides, so about 2 to 3 minutes on each side.
Purple trees, I'm feeling righteous, and fuck how you feel about it. If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga. I'm that.
Once we get done stirring our chicken on both sides, we're gonna place our chicken into an oven-proof pan. On to making our lemon butter sauce. We're going to add in our garlic and we're going to cook that for 1 minute. We're going to add a splash of white wine. This is optional. We're going to bring our sauce to a boil and then we're going to reduce our heat and we're going to let that simmer for about 5 to 6 minutes until the sauce reduces and thicken. So once our sauce has reduced and thickened, we're going to add in our heavy cream.
If I'm gonna be real about it, I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga.
Now we're going to add in our Parmesan cheese and we want to stir that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now we're going to add in our spinach and we're going to cook that down for 2 to 3 minutes. Once our spinach is done cooking, we're going to pour that sauce over our chicken. And then we're going to place it in the oven at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Now we're all done, guys. This dish is so delicious. I hope you guys try it out. If you try it out, let me know in the comment section, how did it come out and how did you like it? I paired this dish with angel hair pasta and garlic bread. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you guys on my next video. Bye.